Thank you. Yeah, that's.
So what made you decide to get on board with this project?
This script, the actual, when I started flipping through the script and saw the caliber of this writing, I thought it's great. I absolutely wanted to get involved with it.
You're an Archie fan yourself?
Definitely read some Archie in my day. To say that I was a fan where I'd like seek it out and get it, no. But I bought a lot of comic books. And it used to be when you buy they buy 3-pack, they'd slip an Archie in between a couple of superheroes. So they were really smart to do that. And they started cultivating the Archie audience. I was exposed to them, and I always read them. We all know the characters, and I like that.
Why do you think Archie is relevant in 2016?
Because Archie is emblematic of, he's the every kid, right? He is the every teen. And even though America is a drastically different place than it was when Archie was made, that dynamic still doesn't go away. You're a teenager, your life's about to start, and you don't know what to do. There's a lot of decisions that fall on you in that time that you've got to figure out what to do. And there's always drama. And nowadays, when kids got worried about this stuff, it's significantly different than when the Archie characters were conceived. So I think the way that Roberto has brought them into the 21st century made them sophisticated. I'm really impressed with the way he did it. Yeah, well, I play Archie's dad. Fred Andrews Construction. I'm a construction worker. We pound the nails at my house. We're the blue collar element. Archie inspires. The boy wants to get places, do things. I'm pretty happy where I'm at. I'd like him to come into the construction business with me, and it'd be Andrews and Sons, but I don't think that's what's on his mind. And we don't, in the original graphic novels, Archie, he lived in a happy family. He had a mom and a dad. It's not the case here. It's just him and his dad. Mom was gone elsewhere, and it's reflected in so many families today. So these guys don't shy away from that. These kids are going to do things that the Archie comic books didn't do, and they're going to get some bumps and scrapes that those characters didn't get. But it's all served with really clever writing.
What did you like most about playing Fred?
Honestly, the wardrobe. I get to wear jeans all the time. I get dressed like I dress. I thought that was really cool. I don't like the ones where your hair has to be perfect all the time and you're wearing a suit. But when I read this script, I only have like one scene in the file. But when I read that scene, I was moved. And I wanted to perform it. It's rare anymore as an actor that you get scripts and you want to perform them. And that was a good feeling for me. I thought that had left me. Not so.
Roberto said that you're a dad now of kids who are about the Riverdale age. Do you bring that to the role? The fact that you're a dad?
Yeah, you can't not. I mean, because you live your life, and your life experience you bring to every role. Had I read this script before I had children, it probably wouldn't have hit me in that way. It wouldn't have made the kind of sense to me as it said. But on the day when I read it, this is a conversation. This is it. This is a conversation kids have with their parents, and the integrity, the truth in that writing. So I'm down for that. I want to do that. Yeah, I was impressed. What do you call Boy Wonder? I would say that's what Tom Cruise wishes he looked like. This is a young man. KJ, when we sat down and did it, because that was the other thing, I was like, well, who's playing Archie? What do you got for Archie? And they were like, we don't have Archie yet. I said, what? You casted me and you don't have Archie yet. They're like, we have a kid that because they looked all over the world, I guess, to find this kid. They showed me his picture, and I was like, okay, Archie, yeah. And then hit the hair, completely worked the hair. I sat down to read the scene with KJ. We could have filmed it. The very first time he and I sat across from each other and exchanged the words, it was all gone. And I just looked at Lee, the director, and he goes, yeah, we don't need this. I was like, yeah, we don't need this to show up on the day. And that was good. That made me feel very confident.
Thank you so much.